What is shaking, Lad Dental Nation? In today's video, we're going to continue on this segment of put you up on dental game. And when you have no pride like myself, you can do cheesy things like this. But in today's video, really want to talk about the anti-aging benefits of dental implants and compare it a little bit to Botox. Botox obviously has the market share in terms of everything anti-aging. That's the first thing that you think of as how do I combat this, or from aesthetics purposes, it seems like Botox has that market. But I think you can absolutely argue dental implants actually have a greater net result than Botox. The natural bone loss and resorption that happens after a tooth is either extracted or traumatically lost, your body really starts to try and adapt around that hole in your smile. So it's not just the it's not just the site itself, it's the adjacent teeth. Your teeth are designed to have contact when you eat and when you talk and all those things. So the adjacent teeth, when there's that hole there, they really start to adjust and do things that they're not designed to do. A great thing about the dental implant is once that post is put into the socket, the adjacent teeth the bone loss stops. That is huge in terms of anti-aging. Another thing we highly recommend, because it's difficult to build bone, really difficult to build bone vertically, also difficult to build it horizontally. We highly recommend, even if you don't have the means at the time to restore the implant, get the post itself placed and then restore it at a later time. That will help a lot, at least in the bone resorption aspect. Because again, like we just talked about, it's very difficult to build bone that has been lost. And you do have to have an adequate amount of bone to be able to support the implant. You have to get the fusion in there so that the implant itself is able to support all of the axial load that we put on it throughout a daily basis. So to me, you can again look at the thumbnail. That is a very common aesthetic for patients that you will see that are edentulous. So there, even just the difference of having a conventional denture versus an overdenture and all-on-4 denture is massive in terms of the aesthetic difference, in particular because again that you stop the bone loss. Bone loss is very symptomatic with aging aesthetics. So, and for us here at Lad Dental Group, we are a BioHorizon office. So we really like their clinical data that supports all of their implant systems, and 100% of the system is manufactured here in the States. So comment down below, let me know what you guys are interested in learning more about. Let me know, comment down below if you've been curious about either implants or Botox and the driving factors behind it. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, guys. Stay warm. Cheers.